Hello, good morning. In last video clip, we have seen the steam distillation. Now in this video clip, we have to continue the same procedure, that is steam distillation for extraction of essential oil. You may have seen the another video clip in which there is a setup which is shown in the laboratory for the extraction of essential oil. Now you may be clear for this concept of steam distillation, that is how it is carried out to obtain the essential oil from the plant extract. In this slide, you can see here the figure which shows the distillation, simple distillation method. And when we consider the steam distillation, to this round bottom flask, there is one inlet for hot steam. I mean the steam is allowed to pass through this plant material kept in round bottom flask. Then as usual, it is attached to the cooling system, means condenser, and then it is the condensed liquid coming out of this cooling system, it is collected in the receiver or beaker as a distillate. I mean this steam distillation is the most popular method to extract the essential oil. Now remember all the steps, that is before taking the plant material into the round bottom flask into the container, that plant material is first softened by soaking in water. Then placed into the round bottom flask if it is carried out in laboratory, and if it is in the industry, you have to take the large steel kettle or steel pan to which there is a provision to supply the steam. This steam is bubbled through the plant material. Okay, then this hot steam open the pockets of the aromatic compounds in essential oil, and this compound escape from the plant material and get evaporated into the steam. Means the steam, the important condition, the steam must be hot enough to allow the release of essential oil. But the care should be taken, that is when there is a release of essential oil, it should not damage the plant material. The steam with essential oil then passes through the cooling system. The steam condenses into liquid consisting of essential oil and water. And this essential oil, being lighter than water, get floated on the top, while the water is nothing but the lower layer. The water byproduct of the distillation method. It is called as a hydrosol or floral water. This is the simple procedure or the steps which are involved in the steam distillation method. This distillate means the essential oil is separated again by using the separating funnel or also by using the fractional distillation, and then these two layers are separated from each other. This is the essential oil where the terpenoid which we want to separate is present. Okay. This is also the steam distillation method, but which is the ancient method. That is, this figure shows that how ancient this method is, steam distillation method is. This method has the historical background. The ancient people used to extract the essential oil by the same method, principle is same, but some of the accessories required for the distillation plant, these are different. On right hand side, you can see there is a large steel pan or steel container to which there is an inlet to provide the hot steam. At the top there is a condenser, means cooling system, where the essential oil is collected along with the water into that small steel container. At the top again the furnace like structure is shown where the plant material is boiled with the help of steam. At the top also the pyramid like structure is seen, which is nothing but the condensing system, that is cooling system. And the four outlets are seen at the four corners of that furnace, and that person is collecting the essential oil from that outlet in that vertical apparatus or container. Means see how this method is old. The ancient people use the steam distillation method to extract the essential oil. On the left hand side, the round bottom flask is shown into which plant material is kept. With the help of steam, it is boiled. The arrows are shown, which is nothing but the path of essential oil vapors and water vapors. Extractor is attached to that flask. Refrigerating system is also attached, due to which the essential oil is collected along with the water into the container, and then it is separated by from that water layer by using the separating funnel or any other method those people used to follow. Okay. Here you can see the steam distillation method, but which is used in ancient days. The people have used the steam distillation method for extraction of the essential oil. Means see how it is old. This method is old. That is used by the ancient people. Means it has a very large historical background. But here the accessories which are used for this steam distillation method, these are somewhat different, but the principle is same. On the right hand side, you can see here this there is a steel pan, a large steel container where there is a provision to supply the hot steam, and where the plant material is kept, which is soaked in water. And then at the upper part there is a system, means cooling system, just like condenser, and from this rubber tube there is outlet, means where the small steel container where the essential oil is extracted or collected. Another figure which shows the people which are collecting the essential oil from the upper part, means this is just like the furnace where the essential where the plant material is boiled with the help of the hot steam. In the upper part there is a condensing system, means cooling system, and there is the outlets are seen from where the essential oil is collected, means along with that aqueous layer in the large vertical containers. On left hand side, the round bottom flask is shown. Again the condensing system, means here the label is shown, that is refrigerating system, means it is nothing but the just like the condenser which condenses the vapors of the essential oil as well as the water vapors, and then the essential oil is collected. The accessories are somewhat different, but the principle is same. Means this figure shows how this method is old, means used by the ancient people. Now this slide shows that how this steam distillation method is old, means it is used by the ancient people for the extraction of essential oil. The plant material from which the essential oil is extracted, this plant material is collected along with the steam. You can see here on right hand side in this figure there is shown a large steel kettle or steel pan where that plant material is taken, and it is supplied by the inlet where through which the hot steam is allowed to pass. There is a then condensation or condensing system at the top of the steel container where their condensation take place of the essential oil as well as the water vapors. And in this receiver, means as there is seen the small steel container where this essential oil is collected along with the water vapors. And then as we have described earlier, the separation of these two layers takes place by using the separating funnel or by fractional distillation. On the upper side there is a furnace, means figure is shown which gives the figure just like a furnace where the plant material is boiled with the help of hot steam. The upper part contain the condensing system, it shows like a pyramidal structure where the condensation takes place and the outlets are seen. The person is collecting that essential oil coming out from these outlets in the vertical container. I mean this is a ancient method. The principle is same, but accessories are somewhat different. Here also on left hand side, the large round bottom flask like apparatus is shown where the plant material is taken. Then extractor is attached, as well as there is a conducting tube which condenses the water vapors and essential oil vapors. Then refrigerating system is attached to this, and then it is essential oil along with the water vapor, it is collected. Means this figure shows that there is a historical background for this steam distillation method. The ancient people always used to extract the essential oil by using this steam distillation method. Okay. Now this figure shows the ancient method, means the steam distillation method, which has the historical background. That is, ancient people always used to carry out the steam distillation method for extraction of the oil. Here on right hand side, a large steel pan is shown where the plant material is taken, and there is an inlet from where the hot steam is allowed to pass. Due to the steam, the plant material or the essence get boiled and the essential oil get released from the that extract, plant extract. At the top there is a condensing system, means just like a condenser or a cooling system, where the water vapors and essential oil vapors get condensed, and through that pipe shown at the top it is collected in the small steel pan. Means it is nothing but the receiver or collector where the essential oil vapors and water vapors are present. And then by using the method which is discussed earlier, that is by using the separating funnel, these are separated. Essential oil is separated from aqueous layer, and then it is purified, or the terpenoid is separated from that essential oil using the specific methods. In the figure on the top, the furnace like structure is seen where the plant material is again boiled with the help of the steam. At the top, the pyramid like structure is seen. It is nothing but the cooling system or condensing system, and the outlets are seen at the four corners where the person is collecting the essential oil along with the water vapors, means water in that vertical container. On the left hand side, the round bottom flask is shown, then extractor is attached to that. Also the refrigerating system is also attached, which is just like the cooling system or condenser where the essential oil vapors are condensed along with the water vapors, and then essential oil is separated by using the said methods. Means see, the steam distillation method has such a historical background. The ancient people used to carry out the same method for the extraction of the essential oil. Okay. These are advantages of steam distillation method. In the previous slide, we have seen that it is advantageous method over simple distillation method, as the lower boiling point of this solvent reduces the decomposition of temperature sensitive compound or temperature sensitive terpenoid. This is the most advantage of the steam distillation method over the simple distillation method. Applications are: it is useful for purification of organic compounds. It is used for manufacture of the instant perfumes. Perfume is nothing but there is a use of essential oil. As we have seen, that is one of the important property of terpenoid, that they possess the pleasant smell. They possess the sweet odor, hence used in manufacture of perfumes. Mainly orange oil is extracted on a large scale in the industries using this steam distillation method. Means one thing you remember, that this method is used for extraction of essential oil from the plant parts, but the organs which are not delicate, mean just like the plant root or stem or leaves, plant leaves or the stem bark, etc., or fruits, gums or resin. But there should not be use of delicate plant organs, mean just like the plant flowers. Here this method is mainly used for orange oil extraction on a large scale in industries, because the essential oil is extracted from the orange peels, not from the flowers. These are extracted from the orange fruit. Another application can be found in the production of consumer food products and petroleum industries. Steam distillation method. Petroleum industries, you know very well that petroleum is a mixture of large number of petroleum components or the hydrocarbons, you also call, that is the paraffins. Number of components, these are separated from the crude petroleum oil by using the steam distillation method as well as the fractional distillation method. Means based upon the difference in their boiling points, these different components, hydrocarbons present in petroleum, these are separated. This method is also used in separation of the fatty acids from the mixtures. Fatty acids, these are also the giant molecules or the macromolecules, where the number of carbon atom ranges from 4 up to 30. And from the mixtures where the fatty acids are obtained in the form of mixtures, and based upon their boiling points, these acids are separated from the mixture where the steam distillation method is used. These are applications of steam distillation method. And remember the advantage of steam distillation method, that is it is more advantageous over the simple distillation method. Why? Because it reduces the decomposition of heat sensitive terpenoids or heat sensitive essential oil. These are demerits of steam distillation. The first demerit is given, that is essential oil undergoes decomposition, means based upon that type of terpenoid which we want to separate, which we want to extract. Number of times the essential oil undergoes decomposition. But as compared to direct distillation method or simple distillation method, steam distillation is more advantageous method. But sometimes the essential oil undergoes the decomposition. Some constant of essential oil, just like the ester, means I have said that depending upon the type of terpenoid which we want to separate, means which component, which terpenoid is present, which functional group is present in that terpenoid. Suppose the terpenoid possesses the ester group. That ester, when present in that essential oil, it get decomposed. This because this ester group, it is responsible for the odor or pleasant fragrance of that oil. This ester, due to steam distillation, may undergo the decomposition, means resulting in a perfume of very poor quality or very inferior quality. This is the demerit of steam distillation. Like essential oil, absolute also come from the volatile aromatic fluids which are extracted from the plant. Means along with this essential oil, you have to remember another term that is known as the absolute. What is the difference in absolute and essential oil? Absolute differ from the essential oil in that sense, that is they contain the higher density of colorants. Means as compared to essential oil, the absolute always contain the higher density or higher percentage of colorants as well as the waxes and other constituents from the plant. And due to which, or due to higher yield of colorants and waxes, this factor make the aroma very highly concentrated and it is more true to the nature. Means due to the presence of higher percentage of colorants and other constituents from the plant, the aroma make the very extensive, means that terpenoid, that essential oil possess the very extensive pleasant smell because it is highly concentrated and it is hence more true to the nature. The delicate flowers, just such as the rose flower, jasmine flower or orange blossoms, these are oftenly extracted as an absolute instead of the essential oil, where there is a higher percentage of yield, that is higher percentage of oil without using the heat that can damage the petals during the steam distillation. Mean just I have told that is this method is not useful for extraction of oil from the delicate plant organs, mean just like the flowers, because there take place the decomposition of the essential oil or decomposition of the functional group or that compound which is present in that ester, in that terpenoid. Hence this method is not used for extraction of oil using the delicate organs of plant, means plant flowers. This is another steam distillation diagram mainly used in industry or it is industrial method. The pink color large container, it is a steel pan or steel kettle to which the inlets named as a capital C, capital D. The meaning is also shown below this diagram. Then this steel kettle is attached to the column. Then this column is attached to the condenser, means cooling system. Then condensate is shown, and where the flask, that flask is known as Florentine flask, where the essential oil is collected. The same principle is used here, but the essential oil extracted, it is collected on a large scale, that it is nothing but the industrial method for extraction of oil, using the same method, that is steam distillation method. When A and C, these inlets are open, and B and D, these inlets are shut down, that method is known as indirect steam distillation. And when B and D, these inlets are open, A and C, these are shut down, that method is known as direct steam distillation method. That steel pan or kettle, it is attached to the column through which the water vapors, essential oil vapors, are allowed to pass, where they enter then into the condenser, that is cooling system. Inlet outlets for the cold water, these are shown. Then they enter in the condensate, and it is essential oil along with the water. These are collected in the Florentine flask. Okay, this is the steel pan or kettle is attached to the steam generator, where the steam is allowed to pass into that steel pan, where the plant material is kept after soaking. This is the diagram used in the industry for the extraction of essential oil by using the steam distillation method. Okay, now this slide ends the steam distillation method. We have seen what is the exact procedure, what are the conditions, then which are the steps involved in this method, which plant organs or for what purpose, means the extraction of essential oil, from which plant organs are used, or which are the demerits of steam distillation method, what are the advantages of steam distillation method. And we have seen the laboratory method as well as the setup of the instrument which is used, or the steam distillation plant which is used in the industry. Remember the principle, then figure which accessories are required, what is the advantage of steam distillation method, and what are the demerits, means disadvantage of the steam distillation method. Okay, now in the next video we have to see the remaining fourth method for extraction of essential oil by using the extraction in fat or lard. Okay, the difference between indirect steam distillation and direct steam distillation. See here, when B and D are open and A and C are shut down, that is known as the direct steam distillation method. Means here the steam is, there is a inlet which allows the steam to enter directly into the plant material, means inside the steel pan. But when A and C are open, B and C are, D are shut down, at that time the steam is circulated around that steel pan, not it enters into that plant material. Hence it is known as indirect steam distillation. And where when D and B, these are open, at that time the steam is directly passed into the container, into the plant material, and hence it is known as the direct steam distillation method. This is the difference between direct and indirect steam distillation. Now let us see the last method for extraction of essential oil in fat and lard. Lard means nothing but the fat-like material, fatty material. It is known as lard. See the steps. The first step is fat is taken in glass plate and it is allowed to warm up to 50 degrees Celsius. Fat is taken in glass plate or any the specific made trays, and it is warmed to about the 50 degrees Celsius. The surface of that fatty material, it is covered with the petals of the flowers from which we want to extract the essential oil. That surface of fatty material, that lard, is covered with the petals of those flowers, and it is allowed to keep for 24 hours or several days based upon that type of terpenoid present in the those petals. Now after complete saturation of that fat or complete saturation of that lard, those flowers, means petals, these are replaced by another fresh petals petals of the flowers until that fat is saturated with the essential oil. Mean those exhausted petals are removed and another fresh petals are again covered on the surface of that fat and again allowed to keep for the several hours. Means to where the absorption of the essential oil take place into that fat. Then lastly, these petals are removed after complete saturation of that fat and that fat is digested with ethyl alcohol after removal of those exhausted flower petals. This fat where the essential oil is extracted, that fat is digested or mixed with the ethyl alcohol. What will happen when it is digested or mixed with ethyl alcohol? As the fat is soluble in ethyl alcohol, we use the organic solvent like ethanol. This fat is agitated when with absolute alcohol. At that time essential oil along with little fat get extracted into the alcohol, into that ethanol. Now along with the essential oil there is some traces of the fatty material or that fat which is used for the extraction. Means that essential oil which is extracted, it is somewhat contaminated. Means you have to remove that fat from that essential oil. Means which is dissolved or which is mixed, agitated into that alcohol. When this alcohol, what is the method? See how that fat is removed. This alcohol in which the fat is agitated, where the fat contains the essential oil. At that time when alcohol is cooled, at that time the fat get separated by, or why get separated? Because the fat get converted into the solid. Means the physical state of essential oil is in oily state or the liquid state, while after cooling that fat material get converted into the solid. Means by simple filtration method the fat is removed from that essential oil. Means oil remains as it is after cooling also, but the fat get converted into the solid. Means the solid remains on the filter paper by the simple filtration and it gets separated from the essential oil. Means what remains in the receiver? There is a essential oil and alcohol. Oil and alcohol, and then the separation of this essential oil takes place by which method? How it is separated from alcohol? By using the distillation method or steam distillation method, or also alcohol is removed under reduced pressure. In this way essential oil is separated from the alcohol. This method is known as the extraction of oil in fat or lard. Clear? When we are studying the extraction of oil by using the extraction in fat, at that time we have to understand one term, it is known as inflorescence. What is meant by inflorescence? Inflorescence is a process that uses the odorless fats which are solid at room temperature to capture the fragrant compound, means our essential oil, which is exuded by the plants. This process can be cold inflorescence or hot inflorescence based upon that temperature. Means what is meant by inflorescence? It is a process where the odorless fat or odorless lard is used to absorb, to extract the essential oil from the delicate organs of the plant, means from the plant flowers. This solid or this fatty material should be odorless. Why it is necessary? Because there is an extraction of essential oil which also possesses the pleasant smell, which also possesses the fragrance, specific type of fragrance, and it is going to absorb in that fat. And we have to separate that essential oil, that fragrance from that fat. Means the fat must be odorless. This is the important condition from this for this method. Means it is a process where there is a use of odorless fat or odorless lard which is used, or what should be the property of that fatty material or solid? that fat must be present in solid state at the room temperature, so that it will become easy to capture or to absorb that essential oil or the terpene oil present in the oil. This process can be taken place in cold stage or in a hot stage. Means whenever temperature is higher, it is known as a hot inflorescence. When temperature is low, when it take place, absorption take place at a room temperature or in a cold condition, it is known as a cold inflorescence. Means remember two conditions. The first condition, the fat which is used for inflorescence or which is used for the extraction of essential oil, it must be odorless, and another condition, it must be in solid state at the room temperature. Okay, now this figure shows two sections. The first, the right hand side section shows the rose flower petals, pink colored. These are the rose flower petals. These are shown which are spread over the surface of the fat, and for this purpose the specially made trays are used. The left hand side figure, it shows the commercial production of the essential oil using the yellow flower. The yellow color is seen extensively. These are the yellow colored flowers, and these flower petals are sprayed on that fatty material, means to make that inflorescence. And there is a special arrangement of the trays, and spreading of that flower petals takes place on the large scale, so that the maximum amount of essential oil get extracted into that fat or into that lard. Means absorption of oil in fat will get favored. This is known as the inflorescence and used for extraction of essential oil in the fat. Clear? This is second part of this extraction method, that is recovery of essential oil. In the first part, we have seen how the essential oil is extracted by using the flower petals, how these petals are sprayed on that fatty material, where that fat is kept in the specially made trays, and it is allowed to keep for the several hours, several days, so that the maximum amount of essential oil get extracted into that fat. The fat get completely saturated with the help of this essential oil. When the flowers or flower petals are exhausted, there is a maximum adsorption. At that time the flower petals are removed, and then fresh flower petals are placed or sprayed over that surface of the fatty material, so that that fatty material get completely saturated with the essential oil. Now this is the second part, that is a recovery of essential oil, how that essential oil is separated from that fat. The first step is fat in essential oil during the digestion can be removed by cooling up to the 20 degrees Celsius temperature. Means as we have seen in the earlier slide, that is the fatty material which get mixed with the essential oil, or when it is agitated with the alcohol, at that time the fat is removed by cooling that mixture up to 20 degrees Celsius. When cooling takes place, that fat is converted into the solid state, and in this way, by simple filtration method, that solid means fat gets separated out from the essential oil. Now there remains the essential oil along with the solvent, any organic solvent, that is mostly it is ethanol. This ethanol is removed by simple distillation method or distillation under reduced pressure, and in this way, in the receiver or container there remains only essential oil, and solvent gets separated by distillation or under reduced pressure. Recently the fat has been replaced by coconut charcoal. See, in old days the fat is used, the lard is used for the extraction of essential oil, but nowadays that fat is replaced by coconut charcoal. When you listen this word, that is charcoal, which property you remember about charcoal? The charcoal possesses a very important property, that is it is a very good absorbing reagent. It shows the best absorption process. Means instead of fat, nowadays the coconut charcoal is used, which it possesses the another property, that is it shows the greater stability, as well as it shows the higher adsorption, means it extracts the maximum content of essential oil. This charcoal, as usual, means just it is followed by the cooling, and then solvent is removed under reduced pressure. In the same way, the charcoal after inflorescence with petals, it is subjected to the steam distillation, and so that the essential oil is separated by the steam distillation method, and it is obtained in the pure form. This is the superior method. Which is superior method? Where instead of fat, the coconut charcoal is used because it possesses the greater stability as well as it shows the higher adsorption process of the essential oil. Here there is one of the example of the inflorescence is shown. There is a extraction of essential oil by using the jasmine flowers. See in the figure how these flower petals or the complete flower, jasmine flowers, these are sprayed over the surface of this fat or lard which is kept in these specially made trays, and based upon the property of the terpenoid, means in that minimum time there must be the adsorption of the maximum content of the essential oil. Means it is allowed to keep for several hours or for several days, so that the maximum content of essential oil will get adsorbed in that fat. Okay, means after some time, after several hours, the flowers or the flower petals get exhausted or get dried, as there has taken place the maximum absorption of the essential oil. And then the further steps are followed, just we have seen, that is contamination of the fat is removed by cooling that mixture up to 20 degrees Celsius. As fat becomes or is converted into the solid state, it is removed by filtration method. Then the mixture, it contains the essential oil and organic solvent, means mostly ethanol. That ethanol is removed by the distillation method or distillation under reduced pressure. The another two examples have seen are shown in the next slides. That is example of, this is jasmine inflorescence, then example of rose inflorescence, tuberose inflorescence are also shown in the further slides, where the essential oil or the perfume is obtained, means that essential oil is used for manufacture of the perfumes. Okay. This is another example of tuberose inflorescence, where the tuberose flowers are spread over the surface of the fat or lard. The extraction of essential oil takes place into that fat, means the essential oil get absorbed on the surface of the fat. Then these flowers are allowed to keep for several hours, several days. After complete saturation of the fat with essential oil, those flowers, exhausted flowers, are removed. These are replaced by the fresh tuberose flowers, again allowed to keep for several hours till that fat will get completely saturated with the essential oil. Then as usual, further two steps are followed. Fat is removed by cooling the mixture at 20 degrees Celsius, and then organic solvent, means ethanol, is removed after agitation and by distillation method under reduced pressure. In this way, the tuberose essential oil is obtained by this method, and that essential oil is used to manufacture the different types of perfumes. Okay. This is the example of rose inflorescence, that is rose flowers and flower petal. These are sprayed on the fat on the lard and allowed to keep for several hours. Then there will take place the maximum adsorption of the essential oil from the flower petals. Also, as usual, after some time, after some hours, the exhausted flower petals are removed, flowers are removed, again fresh flowers are kept on the surface, so that there will be maximum absorption of the essential oil. That fat will get completely saturated with essential oil at that time. Then the next step is followed, where it is agitated or well thoroughly mixed in alcohol. Then that mixture is allowed to cool at 20 degrees Celsius. Fat gets separated by filtration method, and then organic solvent is removed by distillation under reduced pressure. In this way, the essential oil which is obtained from rose flowers, it is used to make the different types of perfumes. These are shown in the right hand side figure. Okay, these are the different applications of this inflorescence: rose inflorescence, jasmine inflorescence, tuberose inflorescence. These are some of the applications of rose essential oil. Rose essential oil used as a perfume. Also, the rose water means it is not part of the our extraction of essential oil, but rose water it is used for skin care. Rose essential oil used as a perfume. Then we will see the another application in the next slide. These are different applications of the essential oil, or we can say the inflorescence. That is different types of flower inflorescence. That is rose inflorescence, tuberose inflorescence. These inflorescence or the essential oil which is obtained by using this method. These are used for natural soap making. Different types of soaps having the different perfumes. These are manufactured in the industries, as well as that perfume or essential oil is used in the candle. Best candle making also takes place with the help of this essential oil. There are number of applications. Some of those applications I have given. Another application continued here. These are the car perfumes. Best car perfumes are manufactured by using the essential oil. Also in food industry, these perfumes are also used. The rose petals are sprayed on the chocolates, or the rose perfume is also used in some specific types of food material, just like the chocolates. Here is the important application of this essential oil, that the essential oils, as they possess the pleasant aroma, as they possess the sweet smell, these are used specially in aromatherapy. In one previous slide we have seen that this steam distillation method or extraction of essential oil, it possesses the historical background. These methods are used by the ancient people. At that time, that essential oil, or it is used, that aroma or the pleasant smell is used to for the recovery of the patients from different types of diseases. The different blends, these are used in recovery from the diseases. That therapy where the pleasant smell is used, that compound means terpenoid is used, that is known as the aromatherapy. These are different figures which show the medicines or these terpenoids or essential oil in the form of medicine. It is known as the aromatherapy. Means it has got the vital importance in the medicinal field also. Essential oil is used for the aromatherapy. Means as it possesses the pleasant smell or pleasant aroma. Due to this pleasant aroma, the patient get immediately recovered, or it helps for the recovery from different diseases. This is the important application of the essential oil.